G'day friends, so this all started when my son's scooter got a flat. No big deal, right? I've changed car tyres, bike tyres, motorbike tyres, even trolley and wheelbarrow tyres, and figured this would be a breeze. And it turns out I was so wrong. Now I won't go into too much detail on how to remove the tyre, there are heaps of videos showing that already, but just quickly, watch out for the motor cable on the side, don't yank it. And you may need to remove the brake disc here too, that's just these bolts here. Now honestly that part only took about 5 minutes. To get the old tyre off we used a tyre lever, or even a flathead screwdriver works if you're careful not to damage the rim. But here's where it got interesting. We tried putting the new tyre on and it just wouldn't go. Two of us, tyre levers, brute force. No matter what we did, as soon as we got one side on, the other side would pop right off. It was like trying to wrestle a rubber octopus. And that's when I had an idea, and I reckon you've never seen this done before this way. So what I want you to do is I want you to grab some long zip ties, or cable ties if that's what you want to call them, and watch this. All you have to do is wrap one here, wrap one over here, then you just tighten them down hard so the tyre lips touch each other. And what you're doing is you're compressing the tyre into a tighter, smaller shape, and the two lips of the tyre are touching. And once you've got it so it looks like this, the tyre basically slides onto the rim in just under a minute. And then all you have to do is just snip the tyres and pull them out with some pliers, and that's it. And to seat the tyre properly you might need to overinflate it a little bit. Here's a pro tip. If you have a valve stem remover, remove the valve stem first. That way you can blast air into the valve to pop the tyre edges against the rim. Then screw the stem back in and inflate to the normal pressure. In this case it's 36 psi, but it depends on your tyre. And then boom, your tyre is locked on. And I've got one more tip for you. One last thing. If your new tyre is rock hard like ours was, don't fight it cold, just soak it in hot water for about 10 minutes. Make sure the water's not boiling. You don't want to distort the tyre. It'll soften it right up and becomes way easier to work with. So that's the zip tie scooter tyre hack. I've got to come up with a better name. It's simple, cheap, and once you try it, you'll never do it any other way. Let me know in the comments if this worked for you or if you've got your own genius fix I should try. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if it helped, and hit subscribe if you want more simple fixes like this one. Catch you in the next one.